Alright. Hello, everybody. So, this game is called Shooting Range Zero Caliber. Freaking awesome game. It's like a shooting house or whatever. It's pretty cool. But I didn't realize, if you walk through this doorway right here, we have a freaking Modus, baby. Just go to your belt. Well, you would just go to your belt. Hold up. Where's that? Oh, crap. Give me a second. Come on. Go, 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 go. Come over here. And here. Over here. Grab one of these boxes. If I can. Put right there. To your belt. You got everything you need. Now go back. Here we go. But yeah. Zero Caliber Shooting Range VR is freaking awesome. Okay, go over here, grab the Modus, aka like the 50 cal. Get your box right there. Right there, baby. Press this.
Alright, soldier. Grab that minigun and shoot as many targets as you can in 30 seconds. Round started. Nice one.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Give me my box. This game's freaking dope, bro. Is that it?
Round up. Check your results on the scoreboard.
Scores 21, 2 headshots. Let me know. Can you do better? Alright. See you guys.